Nowadays, seamless operations are the foundation of customer trust. But the threat of unexpected terminal failures is always looming. The traditional solution is unstructured and reactive. It waits for failure to happen. The result: high downtime risk, accelerated terminal wear, and costly emergency resource drain. So why not predict terminal failures before they happen? The Feel Insight product has brought about a new game rule. A proactive strategy can ensure the best performance. Enjoy near zero unplanned downtime, extend terminal lifespan, and significantly reduce long-term costs. True operational efficiency has been achieved. Preventive maintenance solutions prevent faults before they occur, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. The core functions of Feel Insight: multidimensional health assessment, periodic maintenance intelligence, automated ticket management, and evolving rule repository. Here's what it delivers: enhanced terminal availability, fewer emergency tickets, reduced maintenance costs, improved customer satisfaction. Partner with GRGBanking to keep every terminal at peak performance. GRGBanking, we move faster.